Good morning, students. Today we are seeing about the lesson 16 waste management part 2. We are already learned about what is waste. Kutis, what is waste? You know that? Yes, unwanted or used things that are discarded are termed as waste. Every day we discard as a few things that is called waste. Household waste are two types, one is solid, another one is liquid. Household solid waste are two types, one is biodegradable waste, another one is non-biodegradable waste. So what is biodegradable waste? Waste which decomposes or break down naturally or in natural process is called the biodegradable waste. Examples, all kind of plant and animal materials is biodegradable waste. Let us see about the non-biodegradable waste. Waste which does not decomposes or degrade in natural condition. So examples, all kind of plastic, glass, thermocol and several kinds of chemicals. These are all the non-biodegradable waste. Ceramic is a type of clay since it is a do not decomposes. So that is also a non-biodegradable waste. It accumulates on land or in water. It pollutes soil and water bodies like river, lake, ozone, etc. These are all already seen in the last week videos. Let us see the recycling waste. Plastic plates, paper plates, plastic water bottles, these are all we are using day to day life. These materials are converted into a new product and using. That is called the recycling. So what is recycling, cuties? Recycling is a method of using waste material to make new product. Okay? Let us see about the benefits of recycling plastics. Plastic waste is being to make new products such as furniture, signboard, dustbin and etc. Benefits of recycling papers. By recycling paper we are able to reduce waste and also save trees from being cut because all papers are making from the tree. So we are saving trees from being cutting. Waste metal objects are making to create a new metal object and use it. And let us see the segregation of waste. Waste are collecting in different bins. By using the colors we separate it. Green color bins are collecting the biodegradable waste. Blue color bin collecting the non-biodegradable waste. And last one, red color bin, that is collecting toxic waste which is harmful for health. So that is collecting red bin. So we are waste secretions are collecting in the different colors of pins and green color is used to collecting biodegradable waste. You know that. The biodegradable waste are going to make compost. Non-biodegradable waste are going to recycled and using a new material. Let us see the incineration. Incineration is a burning of waste. Burning waste in the open place is not a good method of disposing waste. Dry waste which contains small pieces of paper, cardboard, cloth piece, wood piece and plant materials can be used as fuel. The amount of such waste is huge and it can be used as fuel to produce electricity. This type of using to require segregation of waste. At the most basic level, landfilling involves placing waste underground and cover it with soil. The waste is dumped and packed with the use of bulldozers. Landfilling on a large scale can be lead to environmental contamination. If land is covered with organic waste, the waste decomposes and produces methane gas. This gas slowly seeps through the earth and disappears into the atmosphere as well as. Since the process of methane emission from a landfilling site is a slow process, it becomes a long-term source of air pollution and possible irrigation for the local pollutions. Landfill sites also contaminate the water table, destroy wildlife habitats, and reduces science landscapes. Let us see what are the use of plastic bags. Plastic bags have become a necessity in our lives and provide us easy and convenience. Plastic bags are non-biodegradable and take hundreds of years to decompose in the soil. These bags have become hazardous to all life forms on the planet. The world consumes at most 1 trillion plastic bags every year. Plastic bags have led to significant land pollution and water pollution and also have causes unnatural deaths. So avoid plastic, say no to plastic. Thank you children. We are meet in another video. Thank you.